Hello everyone, welcome to Unionville New Hope Education Center. Hi everybody, I'm Star Master Jin Hong from Unionville New Hope Education Center. The New Hope Center, the name is give the hope to everybody. When the people hope every day, they can renew by themselves, and also the hope can give them the goal and also the hope for the future, and they really know what they want to do in their life. The new hope, the other meaning is from the Bible, the quotation of lamentation, and with the great love of God and never failed, and with the compassion of the God, the love, and give the people the hope in the future. Okay, first of all, before we opened the New Hope Education Center, a couple of my sponsors really encouraged by them. So we see the Cantonese speaking, the members and the new members, they really look for the very good location, and with their training, and when they have a problem and difficulties in the Atomy, the business, we're looking for great numbers of people growing in the Cantonese speaking. That's why we hope we have a really convenient center location and open in around this area. The education center is provide a program for them. So every Wednesday we have the Zoom meeting offline and online. Online is the Zoom meeting together with the same pace with the offline program. In the center, all the people will coming in. We have a product sharing twice a month, and also we have a compensation plan, and also the system, and also we have the special lecture for the special kind of leadership training, and also we have a special lecture for a special kind of topics, and also they have some invite some medical doctors and coming in, and we have introduced some related with the Atomy products, and we can overall can fit and need what the members and the newcomers their concern and what they want. The people usually, and the new member and the members and all the Atomy leaders in the New Hope Center, they really enjoy is they attend the seminar here, and they discuss together. After the seminar, there are a lot of questions. So, and also, every month, Korean headquarters have the new product coming out, and also the Atomy Canada, the website, eventually they will recently some new product coming out. They will immediately asking, what is this, what it is? And so we all discuss, and we can try the product here. And we also learn how to use the product. And if the supplement, they will how to take the supplement every day. So what's good for the health, and what is good for the skin. And also after the one-day seminar in hotel, also after the other days, they will attend to the center and they will review. Review is what we learned in the seminar. What will be going after the seminar will more initiative the people how to be more involved in the Atomy. I more focus on the cultural is the compassion heart, what the people need in their heart. And their heart is, they have a compassion heart, they have a warm heart, cool head, and the busy feet. And in the Atomy business, I think we more focus on how to serve the people with our compassion heart, and also we did everything for the members, the newcomers, the people, all by love. Love is more important in the center cultural serving. The mostly I have to review myself is I have to be patient. Okay, don't talk too loud. Be patient, and with all the members, with patient answering and questioning and answering all the time, day and night, 24 hours. I still serve in them. Even though small question, big question, I will be patient with them. This what I need and what I serve them, and this the mostly I after be the center manager, I review myself, be more good in our serving in the center. Okay, the New Hope Education Center, the goal of my center is more focused on how the people will be educated and well trained by Atomy all the information, and we want the member and need the member to be well educated and well training, and we pick up the Atomy business and share the goodness of the Atomy, and they get the benefit from the Atomy, and we do it successfully in the Atomy business. So also the motto of the Atomy is very important too, because all the people is pick up the concept of the motto, we serve in humanity. We looking for the people through the Atomy, so influence the people, their heart and their mind, and also they want to together with our center to work really hard and make it successfully in Atomy business. The goal of the Atomian is more focused on to make all the people be the ambassador of the Atomy, and also from the idea of President CEO Mr. Park, and he also more focused. We know God, because God, when you know God, you will do everything by love. So we not be selfish. And we also need the potential, the people, and they, when they know the products and how to enrich the people, and also help the people have a good health, good skin care, and also the people, when the people didn't know anything about Atomy, but through this, through the Atomy and through the education, they will know all the Atomy business and all the potential of how to make the global business in Atomy. So that's the most reason the Atomy I really focus and appreciate what they want to focus in the Atomy. Okay, the good message, the good news for the Atomy member is more focused on the compassion heart and the love. And also we hand in hand together with the synergy and synergy energy. We're working together by helping each other hand in hand with all my partners and with all my leaders and all my members. We're working as a one heart together in achievement, in successfully in the top level of the mastership, and also they can help them to find the residual income in the Atomy. So this is the most important, is when the people need help, need the love, and we more focus on the motto like Mr. Park teach us, we have to serve in humanity. We have a compassion heart. Welcome to the New Hope Education Center with all the Atomy informations, how to enroll as a member, and how the product is good for you, for the skin, and also for your good health. And New Hope Education Center is ready for you. And you're welcome, come in, join us, and we can get all the information you want and you like and you need.